warning in effect from 6 p.m.
What?
to 6 a.m. Wednesday. What? Southeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where?
Wow.
Northern New London, southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, and southern New London counties. When? From 6 p.m. Tuesday to 6 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.